Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to convert Figma to WordPress. First, you have to open your browser and search wordpress.com in the search bar. Open the WordPress website. WordPress is a popular content management system used to create and manage websites. It offers a user-friendly interface, customizable themes, and a wide range of plugins for added functionality. Make sure to log into your account first, or you can create your account. Click the Plugins option from the left menu bar on the screen. Search Figma on the search bar of plugins and press enter. You will see different search results. Review all options and click UI Chemi, Figma to WordPress. Click on Upgrade and activate to use UI Chemi, which facilitates developers to create a WordPress website. UI Chemi is a tool or a service that facilitates the conversion of designs created in Figma into WordPress themes. It automates the process of translating visual designs into functional WordPress websites. It is potentially saving time and effort for designers and developers, and they can convert Figma designs into live WordPress websites in seconds. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.